Hey guys, today I'm making a hummingbird cake. In a large bowl, add in 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of clove and nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it together well, then add in 4 eggs, 1 cup of oil, 280 grams of drained crushed pineapple, 4 to 5 mashed bananas, 3/4 of a cup of chopped pecan or walnuts, and half a cup of desiccated or fresh coconut. Mix it together well until no dry flour remains. Then divide the batter evenly between 3 greased 20 centimeter baking pans. Level out the batter and bake at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Remove it from the oven, then turn it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. In a separate bowl, add in 100 grams of butter or margarine and 230 grams of cream cheese and mix it together until smooth. Then gradually add in 3 to 4 cups of icing sugar, depending on your preference of sweetness. Once the cake layers have cooled completely, it's ready to assemble. Decorate the top and bottom of the cake with a mixture of coconut and pecan nuts. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.